Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabrielle if you are new here, and today we are doing this no mascara, no eye makeup, no brow product makeup look. It's really focusing on our complexion, really hydrated, glowy, dewy, fresh looking skin that looks young and gives you that kind of clean girl makeup look, that no makeup, model off duty makeup look if you will. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look and all the products that I use, then make sure to keep on watching. We're gonna start off with our base, the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Love this as a very moisturizing and hydrating primer for makeup prep. It just like smells really good. It's perfect for the winter time when my skin's a little bit more dry. Obviously the Say Super Glowy Gel. Oh my gosh, I think this is almost done. I'm so sad. Sometimes I'll use a foundation, sometimes I'll just use concealer. I think in today's case, because I'm trying to keep it really light, minimal, fresh, I'm actually just going to use my concealer like that. The new products that I got are these Kosas concealers, and they have these new color correcting. They're called the Revealer Extra Bright Serum Powered Color Corrector. A silvery lid compared to the concealer. I have the shades Magic and Illusion. Magic is more of a light baby pink, and this other one in Illusion has more of a peachy tone to it. I really like Magic, which is that light pink. It's very similar to how you would use the pink powder to brighten under the eyes. So we apply that first, and I'm just going to dab and blend it all out. So a couple of updates, things to expect. I recently started a Substack, and a Substack is almost like a blog and a Twitter and an Instagram. It's kind of a little bit of everything, but the primary use of the Substack is for posting written and long form written content. You can also post audio podcasts on there as well, which I'm also planning on doing. My Substack is called The Secret Club. Most unfiltered deep dives, beauty secrets, wellness secrets, etc. that I don't share anywhere else. I don't share it on YouTube. From my brain to yours. That's how I like to call it. And I have both a free subscription and a paid subscription, but definitely would love for your support. Subscribe as a freebie, upgrade to paid if you'd like. It would mean the world to me. And like I said, I'm gonna have some written content, but also some audio podcast content on there as well. So stay tuned, link down below. Join the Secret Club, the inner circle. I'd love to have you there. One of the very first free blog posts that I did on my The Secret Club Substack is about my current beauty philosophy. If you've been following this channel for a very long time, then you would know that I started off as a clean, green, non-toxic beauty influencer. Since then, I've kind of incorporated a little bit more of the conventional products. I do Botox and more unnatural things, so to speak. So I go into a deep dive about my beauty philosophy and the transition between that clean beauty influencer I was to what I currently am now. And I think that it will maybe clear things up as to how I've transitioned on this channel, just to focus on the products that I love, that feel luxurious, that make me feel good. Please check that out if you are interested in kind of learning a little bit more about that story. Now, the other update is that tomorrow I am actually getting Botox, and I'm very excited because we're not only talking about Botox to address those signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, etc. We can also talk about how Botox is good for slimming, sculpting, and creating face symmetry. So I'm very excited to bring you along. I'm going to share the process, do a little Q&A with the doctor who's going to be doing the Botox, and just give you a little bit more information about Botox in general and how you can use it, and how there's different ways that Botox can be used beyond just like your frown lines, your smile lines, your crow's feet, etc. That will be one of the next videos posted on my channel if you're interested. So I'm just blending out the concealer kind of all over the face like a foundation. I'm using the shade 2.3N, and just using my brush to blend that all out. We're going to go in with the Westman Atelier Contour Stick in Biscuit. And then blend it all out, same brush. Next week, I'm getting some highlights put into my hair. I'm not going back blonde, don't worry, but I would like to add a little bit of definition, dimension back into my hair because it is very like one note, and I really did like the kind of dimension that being blonde gave. So I'm just gonna get some really soft highlights, and then I'll bring you along maybe next week in my hair appointment if you're interested. And then I'm also going next week to Well Beyond, which is a Toronto studio like wellness clinic, and I'm getting a lymphatic drainage massage. I've received it once or twice before. It's just a really good detox, promotes lymphatic drainage, obviously helps shift fluid, and I just find it really therapeutic. The one that I go to unfortunately is not covered by massage therapy, so I might look for one that is covered by massage therapy, but I have a gift card, like an outstanding gift card, so why not use it? I got it as a gift like 2 Christmases ago, so I'm going to be using that. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll see if I can film that process and share maybe a little like vlog, weekly vlog. I've been going to Pilates like every single day that I've been off from my nursing job. I still do that. I have some people ask me every once in a while if I'm still nursing. I am. I still do nursing full time. And yeah, I love Pilates. It's been so good for my physical health, my mental health. I have been loving it so much. I just am like a little bit scared to film there because obviously there's some other people enjoying the class, trying to get their exercise in. And while they do allow filming, I am a little self-conscious. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring you guys along. Maybe I'll rack up the confidence and do it. But so we've blended out that contour. Going to do a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Chouchette Westman Atelier blush and then just blend that right onto the cheeks. That's what it looks like. Super pretty, kind of neutral mauvey pink. Gives a really nice, like healthy, natural flush. Highlighter, the Chanel. Make sure that blends in seamlessly. So now for the rest of the makeup, we're going to do some lips, and we're just going to lift the brow and lift the lashes without applying a brow product or a mascara. I personally think that if you're going to do this, you should use a product that's going to nourish, hydrate, and improve your lashes and brows. So I'm using the Asian Nature Lash and Brow Serum, and I'm just going to brush the hairs up. It's a little bit oily, so you have to kind of just like refine it. Sweep your finger if it looks oily on the skin. So the brushed up effect makes everything look more lifted and awake. And then the same thing with the lashes. Just wiggle it from the base up. And you're benefiting your lashes while not wearing any mascara or brow product. We are going to do a little bit on the lips. I'm going to use the Farrah Hamidi Smudge and Lip the Smudge and Contour Lip Pencil in Fawn. And this is like kind of a beigey brown. I'm gonna finish it off with a hydrating lip oil. This is the Cherry Oil by Dior. There we go. Here is our no mascara, no brow product makeup look. It's really skin focused. It kind of gives the illusion that you're not really wearing a lot of makeup because the eyes aren't really done, but you look really fresh, really polished, healthy. It really gives that like clean girl kind of makeup look. Hope you enjoyed. It's really focusing on beautiful products that are hydrating, moisturizing, adding that glow and health and youth to your skin, which obviously I love. So I will have all the products listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links to the products. Make sure to check out my Substack if you are interested in subscribing to that. I would love to have you there. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.